Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today guys I'm going to show you how I make this beat. I'm going to show you how I made this beat, a Zim dancehall beat. So let's jump in guys. First I started with these strings here. Let me play it through. Oh, sorry, let me go to pattern here. This is the first thing I started with. It is called spiccato up plus down strings from expand. This one guys. And the second pattern is addictive keys. It sounds like this. Chords are very simple guys. It is very simple, and the beat is in F sharp major, the key. So let me show you the preset here in addictive keys. It's called electric grand monoline. This is the second pattern here, and the third one I think it's more fine. It's not too much sounds here guys. See, it's very simple beat. It's a simple dancehall beat. Here I show you it is the preset here in more fine. It's called LED aggressive odyssey. This for the melodies. So the other one here is bass. I got this bass drum here, and it sounds like this. See guys, the beat is crazy. It is super dope. So now let me show you the drum pattern. The drum pattern here, this hi-hats. It sound. Let me switch the pattern. It's very simple, guys. And the next one here is this one. I think it's for the verse, and there's also this one. It's a rim shot here. There is also a hi-hat here, a close hi-hat, and then the kick. You guys know a dancehall kick, Zim dancehall kick, how it sounds. Okay, so let me play the whole beat here. This is the intro, guys. Tell me in the comment section how you think about it. This beat, guys, is very mad. This is the beat, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like beat making, Zim dancehall, amapiano, afrobeats, kizomba, or I'm gonna show you in the next video how I make those beats, guys. Thank you.